As the sun rises over Prague, the Vltava River shimmers, and the city spires pierce through the morning mist. Welcome to a new day in one of Europe's most enchanting cities. Welcome to HasWings, where we explore the world's most captivating destinations. I'm your host James, and today we're stepping into a city that seems to have sprung straight out of a storybook. Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, is a place where history, art, and architecture come together to create a panorama so breathtaking it feels like a fairy tale in stone. Join me as we uncover the magic of Prague's skyline, its iconic landmarks, and the stories behind this enchanting city. Prague, often called the City of 100 Spires, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Europe's most well-preserved medieval cities. Its skyline is a mesmerizing blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance architecture, each building telling a story of the city's rich and turbulent past. Let's start our journey here, on the iconic Charles Bridge. Built in the 14th century under the reign of King Charles IV, this stone bridge spans the Vltava River and connects the Old Town with the Lesser Town. For centuries, it was the only means of crossing the river, making it a vital trade route between Eastern and Western Europe. The bridge is adorned with 30 statues, each depicting saints and religious figures. These statues were added in the 17th and 18th centuries, and they've witnessed everything from royal processions to historic battles. Legend has it that touching the statue of St. John of Nepomuk brings good luck and ensures your return to Prague. Dominating the city's skyline is the Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world. This architectural marvel has been the seat of Czech kings, emperors, and presidents for over 1,000 years. Within the castle walls, you'll find St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Its stunning stained glass windows and intricate stone carvings are a testament to the skill of medieval craftsmen. Nearby, Golden Lane offers a glimpse into the lives of the castle's artisans and alchemists who once lived in these colourful tiny houses. Now let's head to the heart of Prague, the Old Town Square. This bustling square has been the city's main marketplace since the 10th century and is surrounded by some of Prague's most iconic buildings. One of the square's most famous attractions is the Astronomical clock, installed in 1410. Every hour, crowds gather to watch the clock's animated figures come to life, a spectacle that has delighted visitors for centuries. The clock not only tells time but also tracks the movements of the sun and moon, a marvel of medieval engineering. To truly appreciate Prague's panoramas, you need to see the city from the water. The Vltava River winds its way through Prague, offering stunning views of the city's landmarks. On the west bank of the river lies the Lesser Town, or Malá Strana. This picturesque district is known for its Baroque architecture, quaint streets, and beautiful gardens. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds and soak in the city's romantic atmosphere. While Prague is steeped in history, it's also a city that embraces modernity. Take the Dancing House, for example. This contemporary building, designed by Frank Gehry, stands in stark contrast to the city's medieval and Baroque architecture. Its unique, curvaceous design has made it one of Prague's most photographed landmarks. Prague's modern side is also reflected in its vibrant art scene, innovative cuisine, and lively nightlife. From avant-garde galleries to underground jazz clubs, the city offers something for everyone. As the sun sets over Prague, casting a golden glow over its spires and rooftops. It's easy to see why this city has captured the hearts of so many. Prague is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a journey through time, and a fairy tale brought to life in stone. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Prague's panoramas. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HasWings for more adventures around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.